Good morning. Today I am going to start a new chapter named Round Numbers. Rounding is a way of simplifying numbers to make them easier to understand or work with. It can be used when an exact number isn't needed. For example, if the population of any district is 58 lakh 24,237, then it is difficult to remember the 7 digits and their order. But to get an idea of the size of the population of the district, we may remember the 2 digits on the left and put zeros for other digits. Thus, we can round off the population and remember it as 58 lakh. Now let's understand the working rule for rounding off the number to nearest tens. To round off the number to nearest tens, we follow 2 simple steps. First step, if the digit in the ones place, which is right of the tens place, is less than 5, then we write 0 in the ones place and keep the digits in the other places as they were. Second step, if the digit in the ones place is 5 or more than 5, then we write 0 in the ones place and increase the digit in the tens place by 1. Keep the digits in the other places as they were. For example, if we round off the number 4783 to the nearest tens, we will see the digit at the ones place, which is right of the tens place. Since this digit is 3, which is less than 5, the digit at the ones place will become 0 and other all numbers will be written as it is. So we get the round number 4780. But if we have to round off 265 to the nearest tens, we see the digit at the ones place is 5. And since we have already discussed earlier that if the digit at the ones place is 5 or more than 5, then we increase the digit at the tens place by 1 and write 0 at the ones place. Other all digits will remain as it is. So we get the round number 270. Now let's understand the working rule for rounding off to the nearest 100. Again, to round off the number to the nearest 100, we follow the 2 simple steps. First step, if the digit to the right of the 100 place, that is tens place, is less than 5, then we write 0 at both the places, that is tens as well as ones place, and keep the digits in the other places as they were. Second step, if the digit to the right of 100 place is 5 or more than 5, then we write 0 at both the places, that is tens and ones place, and we increase the digit at the hundreds place by 1. Other digits remains as it is. For example, to round off the number 13,526 to the nearest 100, we see the digit to the right of 100th place, that is tens place, and we find that there is 2 which is less than 5. So both the digits, that is digit at the tens and ones place, will become 0 and other all digits will be written as it is. So we get the round number 13,500. But if we round off the number 4,783 to the nearest hundred, we find that digit to the right of 100 place, that is tens place, is 8, which is more than 5. So both the tens and ones place will become 0 and digit at the 100 place will be increased by 1 and other all digits will remain as it is. So we get the round number 4,800. Our next topic is rounding off large numbers. The steps for rounding off a large number to any place is the same as we did for rounding off the number to nearest 10, 100. For example, if we want to round off the number 67 crore 25 lakh 80,349 to the nearest 10,000, then we see the digit to the right of the 10,000 place. We find that the digit to the right of the 10,000 place is 0. And since the 0 is less than 5, so all the digits to the right of the 10,000 will become 0 and the remaining digits will be written as it is. So we get the round number 67 crore 25 lakh 80,000. Now if we want to round off this number 67 crore 25 lakh 80,349 to the nearest lakh, then we see the digit to the right of the lakh place, which is 10,000 place, and since this digit at the 10,000 place is 8, which is more than 5, so digit at the lakh place will be increased by 1 and all the digits to the right of lakh place will become 0, whereas other all digits will remain as it is, and we get the round number 67 crore 26 lakh.